Hi learners, welcome to our course Python programming. We are now going to deal with the first module, Python programming fundamentals, in which let's now see about operators and expressions. What is meant by an operator? An operator is a symbol or a construct which is used to manipulate values of operands. The basic operators we know already are plus, minus, star and slash, which represent the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What is meant by an expression? The combination of operands as well as operators is called as an expression. An operator is used on the given operands and manipulate them. For example, total is equal to mark 1 plus mark 2 is an expression. Here we are having addition as the operator, which adds the values of mark 1 and mark 2, and the resultant value is assigned to total with the help of assignment operator. In Python, these are the types of operators available: arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, unary, bitwise, membership, identity, and shift operators. Now let's see one by one. First type, are the list of arithmetic operators available in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. We already worked with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation operators in other languages. Floor division helps us to get the quotient after dividing a number by its divisor. It means that the floor division operator will truncate the fractional part and it will return the whole number alone as a result. And we know that modulus is the operator which will help us to get the remainder after performing division. And exponentiation help us to perform the power operation. So the syntax of any expression with the help of arithmetic operator is operand 1, operator, operand 2. These operators are binary operators which are in need of two operands. A very simple example here: a is equal to 20, b is equal to 3, and all the arithmetic operations are performed on these two values a and b, and the result of a plus b, a minus b, a star b, a slash b, a floor division b, a modulus b, and a exponentiation b is given here for your reference. The second type, relational operators. Relational operators are used to help the relationship identification between the two values. These are greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. These operators are also binary operators which are in need of two operands: operand 1, operator, operand 2. A very simple example for your quick reference: a is equal to 20, b is equal to 3. The result of a greater than b, a greater than or equal to b, a less than b, a less than or equal to b, a equal to b, or a not equal to b. The checking results in true, true, false, 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 and true. And the third type of operators, assignment operators. Assignment operators will help us to perform the arithmetic operations and assignments in a shorthand manner. Here are the operators. An assignment operator is combined with the arithmetic operator: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiation. If we have the operands on left and right hand side of the equal to symbol are same, we know that an expression is of the form of operand 1 is equal to operand 2, operator, operand 3. If the operands on left and right hand side of the equal to symbol are same, for example, a is equal to a, operator b, then it can be rewritten as a operator equal to b as a shortened manner. So here is the equivalent format of The shortened operation using assignment operators, A is equal to A plus B can be written as A plus equal to B, and so on. A quick reference for you, A is equal to 20, B is equal to 3, and the result of A equal to A plus B, A equal to A minus B, etc. till A is equal to A double star B. And the fourth type, logical operators. We already know that logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT are the logical operators available. In Python, we are not going to use any operator symbol in order to perform these operations. Rather, we are going to use the keywords AND, OR, NOT for performing the logical operations. The syntax, operand 1, operator, operand 2 for and OR, but for NOT, it is going to be the unary operator. So if we take AND, the logical operator, the expressions would be evaluated from left to right, and this operator will return true if both the expressions are true. If any one of the expression is false, it will return false. So we know the truth table already for the logical operation, and here is the quick reference for you, A and B, all the possible inputs and what would be the output for the AND operation. So let A is equal to 20, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 34, and let's check A greater than B and A greater than C. And let's see what's the result. It's false. And A greater than B and C greater than B, here the result is true. Or is in contrast with AND, it will return true if any one of the expression is true. So this is the syntax for the expression, and this is the truth table. If any one of the expression is true, OR will return true. Here A greater than B or A greater than C will give us the result true. And A less than B or A greater than C will return the value false, since both the expressions are false. And here comes NOT. It takes single expression as input, and that's why NOT is called as an unary operator. It negates the value of the expression. It produces false if the expression is non-zero, that is true. And it produces true if the expression results in 0. So this is a truth table. If the input is 0, the output would be 1. If the input is 1, the output would be 0. So here we are checking A is equal to 20, B is equal to 8. Answer is equal to not A greater than B. So first the expression will be evaluated A greater than B. 20 greater than 8, it's true. Not of true is now going to be the value false. And not of A greater than B. A is 2 here, B is 8, A greater than B, 2 greater than 8, it's false. Not of false, the value would be returned as true. The next type, unary operator. Unary operator acts on single operand. It provides an unary operator minus. So the syntax for using the unary operator is minus operand, and it just negates the value. If the value is positive, it negates to negative. If the value is negative, it negates to positive. So the symbol is minus. A quick example, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus of A, print B. So since A is positive, it will be negated and we are getting the output as minus 2. In another case, A is equal to minus 2, B is equal to minus A, minus of minus, the result is going to be plus true.